Hello friends, just half an hour ago I have started this experiment of taking consumption of electricity readings with thermostat setting at 24 degrees centigrade, and I will take it for one day full set at 24 degree, and this is the meter which will record the readings. You can see presently the voltage is 232 volts and frequency is 49.98 hertz. This is the reading of the current 7.242 amps, and this is the power factor 0.99. This is the power consumed now. It is consuming 1.7 kilowatt, and this is the kilowatt hour so far recorded in half an hour. And next is the reading of the kVA and kVAH. Then next is kVAR and kVAH. So our main reading which we are concerned is kilowatt and kilowatt hour. So this reading I will take again tomorrow and see for 24 hours usage. We will not switch off for just for experiment purpose, and see for 24 hours how much electricity is consuming in 24 hours when the thermostat is set at 24 degree centigrade. And I will also take ambient temperature conditions. I will also take a measurement of ambient temperatures and share with you all. Thank you very much.